What if the biggest opportunity to work abroad in 2026 isn't finding a country with an easy visa, but finding a country that actually needs workers? Across the world, countries are dealing with labor shortages, aging populations, and growing demand in industries like healthcare, construction, technology, logistics, engineering, and skilled trades. And that means one thing: foreign workers are becoming more valuable. But which countries are actually looking for international workers in 2026? Today, we're counting down 10 countries where foreign workers can find interesting job opportunities, work visa pathways, and growing demand. Let's begin. Number 10, Japan. Japan is facing a major demographic challenge with an aging population and a shrinking workforce. That's why the country continues to expand opportunities for foreign workers through programs such as the Specified Skilled Worker System. Industries can include caregiving, food service, manufacturing, construction, agriculture, and other sectors. For professionals, Japan also has opportunities in areas such as IT, engineering, and specialized services. The biggest challenge: language. Japanese ability can make a huge difference when looking for work and building a long-term career. Number 9, South Korea. South Korea is another major destination for foreign workers, especially in industries where employers face labor shortages. Through the employment permit system, eligible workers can legally work for Korean employers in sectors such as manufacturing, agriculture, construction, fisheries, and other approved industries. South Korea is especially interesting because opportunities aren't limited to university graduates. However, the process is official and regulated. You should never believe an agent who promises an E9 visa simply because you pay them money. Number 8, Ireland. Ireland may be a small country, but it has become an important European destination for international workers. The country has strong demand in areas including technology, healthcare, engineering, pharmaceuticals, and other specialized professions. Ireland is also attractive to English-speaking workers because English is the main working language. For qualified professionals, employment permits can provide a route to legally work in the country. But remember, having a job in demand doesn't automatically mean you qualify for a work permit. Your occupation, salary, and employer all matter. Number 7, Norway. Norway is known for high wages, strong worker protections, and a high standard of living. The country has opportunities in industries such as engineering, construction, healthcare, maritime work, manufacturing, and certain skilled trades. For workers with the right qualifications, Norway can offer excellent earning potential. But there's an important downside: the cost of living can also be high. So a high salary doesn't automatically mean high savings. Always compare your expected salary with housing, food, transportation, and taxes before making a decision. Number 5, the Netherlands. The Netherlands continues to attract international talent, especially in technology, engineering, healthcare, logistics, and specialized professions. One important advantage is its established system for highly skilled migrants, where recognized employers can sponsor eligible international workers. The country is also known for having a highly international working environment, and English is widely used in many professional sectors. But sponsorship isn't automatic. You still need the right qualifications and an employer that meets the requirements. Number 4, the United Arab Emirates. Now we're moving to one of the biggest destinations for foreign workers, the UAE. Dubai and Abu Dhabi attract international workers in construction, hospitality, logistics, aviation, healthcare, engineering, finance, and technology. The UAE is particularly attractive because employment income is generally not subject to personal income tax. But there is a catch. Housing and everyday expenses can be expensive, especially in Dubai. So don't look only at the salary. Look at how much you can actually save every month. For workers who receive accommodation, transportation, or other benefits from their employer, the UAE can become even more attractive. Number 4, Canada. Canada remains one of the world's best-known destinations for international workers and immigrants. In 2026, Canada is focusing heavily on occupations where it needs workers, including healthcare, education, STEM, skilled trades, and transport. There are also programs designed to support immigration into communities facing labor shortages. For some workers, another major advantage is the possibility of building a long-term pathway toward permanent residence. But Canada's immigration system is competitive. Your occupation, qualifications, language ability, and immigration profile can make a major difference. Number 3, Australia. Australia continues to attract skilled workers because many industries need qualified employees. Healthcare, engineering, construction, skilled trades, and technology are among the areas that can offer opportunities, depending on the visa and occupation. Australia also has employer-sponsored routes, including the Skills in Demand visa. The major attraction is the combination of strong salaries, job opportunities, and a high standard of living. But Australia can also be expensive, so before accepting a job, calculate your real savings after rent, food, transportation, and taxes. Number 2, the United Kingdom. The UK remains one of the world's major international job markets. London and other cities have opportunities in healthcare, technology, engineering, finance, construction, education, and specialized professions. The skilled worker visa provides a route for eligible workers who have an approved employer and meet the required conditions. The biggest advantage for many international workers is the English-speaking environment and the large number of multinational companies. However, visa requirements and salary thresholds matter, so you need to check the current rules before applying. And number 1, Germany. And now, number 1, Germany. Germany has become one of Europe's most important destinations for foreign workers because serious labor shortages across multiple industries. Germany needs workers in healthcare, nursing, engineering, IT, construction, manufacturing, logistics, and skilled trades. And Germany doesn't just have one immigration route. There are several options for qualified workers, including the EU Blue Card, skilled worker routes, and the Opportunity Card. The Opportunity Card is particularly interesting because eligible applicants can have a pathway to enter Germany and search for employment, rather than waiting for a traditional job offer from abroad. Germany's huge industrial economy means there are opportunities across many different sectors. But once again, this doesn't mean Germany is easy for everyone. Your qualifications, experience, language skills, and occupation still matter. So why are we putting Germany at number 1? Because it combines high labor demand, multiple immigration pathways, and a large economy that actively needs international workers. And that's a powerful combination in 2026. But here's what you really need to know. There is no single country that is best for every foreign worker. A nurse may have excellent opportunities in one country. A truck driver may have better options somewhere else. An engineer, electrician, welder, factory worker, or IT professional could have completely different opportunities. So don't ask which country is easiest. Ask which country needs my profession. That is the question that can save you time, money, and years of frustration. And one more warning, never send thousands of dollars to an unknown agent because they promise a guaranteed job or guaranteed visa. Always verify the employer, check official immigration requirements, and make sure the job is genuine before paying money or sending important documents. Now, tell us in the comments, what is your job or skill, which country are you currently living in, and which country would you like to work in? Your answer could become the topic of our next video. And if you want more videos about jobs abroad, work visas, salaries, immigration, and countries hiring foreign workers in 2026, make sure to subscribe to the World Guide. Because the goal isn't just to leave your country, the goal is to find the right opportunity. This is the World Guide, your gateway to the world.